morning students. Today we will learn how to find cube root by estimation method. So this is the second method. First method we have learned by prime factorization method, and this is second method, but this method will be implemented for only 2-digit number, and rarely we use this method because exact method is prime factorization method. So you see, for example, question number 7 of worksheet 2 first. Question is 10,648. We have to find cube root. So through estimation method. So for this estimation method, we will divide our number in two groups. From this right hand side, after three digits will be one group and rest will be another group. So this is first group, this is second group. Now you see, from first group is 648. From here we will decide our unit place. So we can see here, and here in first group only 8 we will see, means only unit place we will see this. So how this 8 came? So this chart will help us that unit place where is it from this our chart. This is the cube of the numbers from 1 to 10. This you should know, then only you can solve this method. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is, and how this get? For example, this 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 is 16, 4 is 64, like this way. So we can see from the first group 8. 8, where is the 8 we will see? Here. So 8 is the cube of 2. So our first answer is unit place is 2, and wordings will be like this way. Now you see the second group. This is 64. This is 10. Second group is 10. So second group, we will fit this second group between the two cube numbers. Means 10 is between which two cube numbers? So these are the cube numbers. So we can see 10 is between 8 and 27. So we'll write 8 and 27, and 8 is the cube of 2 and 27 is the cube of 3. So this will be our answer. So a smaller number between 2 and 3 is 2. The smaller we have to take. So this 2 is our tens place. Means this will become tens place. So what is the answer of this question? Unit place 2 and tens place is also 2. So answer is 22. Now I am solving this question third also in this part, in this way. So you can see here, first group of this question is cube root of 110 this comma 592. Again we have made two groups, and this group 1 592. Here we will see 2. So this unit place 2 is where this exists. So we can see this 2 is here 8 cube. 8 cube is 512. 2 is coming here. This 2. So what is our first answer? So unit place will be of our answer. This will be 8. Means this is the, when this 2 comes, when the cube of 8 is 512, then this 2 is coming. So unit place is 8. Now you see tens place. Another, for the tens place, we will decide this from the group 2. What is the group 2? 110. And here another way is there. 110 is between the which two cube numbers? So from here we will see 110 is between 64 and 125. 64 and 125. Now this is the cube of which number? So this is the cube of 4, and this is the cube of 5. So 110 is between 4 cube and 5 cube. So what is our answer? Our answer will be less number, this smaller number. This 4 is our answer. So tens is equal to tens place of our answer will be 4. So what will be the answer? So we can see answer is 48. Once again you see, once this place, unit place decided by this unit 1, this came from this 8 cube, so this is 8, and this 4 from where came? This is the between 4 cube and 5 cube, so this is 48 is answer. One more example you see from your textbook, cube root of 175 comma 660. So this 6 will decide 6 unit place. So where is this 6? This 6 is here. This is the cube of 6. So what will be our unit place? This 6. And now you see 175. 175 is between 125 and 260. So this is the cube of 5. This is the cube of 6. So what will be our answer? This smaller number. So will be our answer, this 5. Okay, so by this way you can solve question number 2, question number 7 of worksheet 2. Okay, thank you.